Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this kit here. This is a string light, I guess it's like a light wire cable kit. So it lets you hang things through cable. So it comes with all the different pieces and parts you need. So you get the wire. This is the wire. It's like wire with plastic coated. And then you get the little crimper pieces here. These are the little things that the wire will go in. I'll put one together here in a second. Some screws, some whatever the bolts are called that you make the tighter and things, some anchors. We have some little bolts, so if we wanted to mount it to different things, we have here the little U ones. And the little loop stuff, some little hanging bolts, some carabiners. We even have some twist ties so we can hang lights on it or something, and we have a tape measure. I guess that's what this is. It looks like a tape measure. And a little mini screwdriver. When I say mini, I mean really mini. But yeah, tape measure, so. Okay, so I'll put together just a little one here. We'll give it a try. So this is it here. I don't want it to all unravel on me, so we'll just take off a certain length. So let's see how much we want here. We'll say we want to go, sure, like this length. So I will cut it with my cutters over here. I thought I will. The cable is a little bit tighter than I thought.
Hold on. You put it up in that little hole.
In that hole?
Yeah, and it cuts easy.
No, that's the stripper.
No, it's not.
Okay, whatever.
Oh, I screwed up your video.
It doesn't matter.
Try it. Let me see. Let me try to cut that damn thing. I'm stopping.
Okay, so here I am. I'm putting the wire away. I did cut a piece off. It just fell on the floor, but I'll show you here in a second. There's that. Okay, so here we are. We got our little piece of wire. We lost our power. Let me open up this door here. I think I did it right. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so here we are. We have these little U pieces here that are all twisted up on each other. Okay, so I'm gonna get one of these and one of these, and I'm just gonna show you how it works. Where's those little spacer things? I guess that's it. Okay, this is probably all I need. So if we have our wire here, we would go around this. So if we wanted to have actually I have to put it through one side. So we have it through one side, around the little piece there, and then through here. You guys are probably too far away to see it, but the concept is solid, I swear. So, I guess I have to leave the door open.
Set the alarm
I
off.
set the alarm off. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And so you see what I did here is I ran the little wire through that little eye piece there. And so it'll kind of hold itself in place. And then you get yourself like a little crimper deal like this. And I will go and just squish it. So it'll squish, if I can get it lined up, it will squish that in there. Am I squishing it? I don't know. I don't know if I am or not. Oh yeah, I am. I'm gonna squish both sides here. Okay, so there. So now it's squished in, it's held in place, and then I can use this bolt here. And now it's, you can see that little thing squished. And so now it's not going anywhere. And I'm able to use like one of the hangers. I'm just gonna take out one of these carabiners to just give you guys an example. And you'll hook it up and hang it like that. So I can hang it onto anything, and then the other side I can hang onto something else there. So I can use this and string, if I wanted to string some Christmas lights or something like that, it's just a nice way to put it on some nice solid wire, and then you hang things from it. It even comes with twist ties to hang with stuff on it. So it comes with everything you need to hang stuff up. Super easy way. If you wanted to hang it off of something that maybe is adjustable, I like the way I bite everything to open it, but you could have it tied down to something like that, and then you can screw one of these things on to tighten it up, so it can cinch it up and pull tight. Because this is some really strong cable. It took me forever to cut it, so I mean it's plastic, but it's got like wire inside of it, so super strong. I don't know what you can pull with. I don't know what the weight is. Might be able to even pull a car. Who knows? This thing just weighs a ton. This thing's so super strong, I mean. So it's a very cool little thing, kit, and it comes with everything you need. So we can hang up anything we want. We can hang a chandelier from this or anything. So I like it. Thumbs up.